Hi, my name's Jovan, and this is the second part of my tutorial on how to create a free 3D model of your head and then animate it with your own facial tracking and capture. If you want to check out the first part on how to actually create the 3D model of your head, check out last week's video in one of these corners. What you need is a finished version of a head model using the Facebuilder add-on inside Blender. Once you've done this, go down to the bottom and press Create Blendshapes. You will now see a button that says Load CSV. I use a LiveLink Face app, which is created by Unreal Engine. I made a video a few weeks ago on how to create live facial tracking onto a Metahuman into Unreal Engine if you want to check that out after this. I'll leave that linked in the description below. The LiveLink Face app does only work with an iOS device, so you need an iOS device that has Apple's ARKit capabilities. I'll leave a link to all these devices down below. However, it should be anything that was created in the last 3 or 4 years. All you need to do is open up the LiveLink Face app, record your animations by pressing the record button, and then just press a little gallery button down the bottom right corner. Don't worry that it's just a video of your face here making funny facial animations. All the important capture data is saved as a CSV file behind this. Then just share this file to your computer. If you have a Mac, the quickest way is to use AirDrop. However, if you're using another device, just be ready for it to take a while because the file format is quite large. Then once the file's on your computer, unzip it and save it to a location of your choosing. Now, back in Blender, press Load CSV and find where your LiveLink unzipped folder is. Then click on My Slate relating to the slate number that you want and load in the CSV file. And that's it. Your facial animations will be applied onto your Facebuilder character, essentially allowing you to animate all these faces really quickly with really high quality as long as you want for as many characters as you want. So you can create a bunch of different models of different people's heads and then use your facial tracking and apply to all of those models as you please. I would suggest unticking the mouth when you have the option in the Facebuilder add-on section, because otherwise you'll have some weird mesh stretching where the mouth is. However, if you don't want to do this because you don't want to see the back of the head or the void inside the mouth, you can just go into the texture painting section to paint out that section black. Make sure if you do any cleanup or you do any painting onto your texture in the texture painting section, save this file separately, because if you don't, when you close Blender and reopen it, then it won't be saved. And then just click Export FBX and that's it, you're done. You've created a 3D model of your head for free. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week.